In this video, iOS 26 Beta 7 has arrived with smoother performance, hidden tweaks, and big fixes that make this update worth installing. So we're going to go and hit install. Hopefully this don't take too long this time, like it did on iOS 26 Beta 6 and the public beta in the last video. Alright, so while this is updating, iOS Beta gives you an early preview of upcoming apps, features, and technologies. Please back up your iPhone before you install the beta. And I would also recommend, like I said in my other videos, to make sure that you back up your iPhone, especially if you're going to try it out on your main device. Please be aware to back up your iPhones. Okay, here we go. Uh, I was wondering how long you was going to take. Alright, verifying update. We almost there. There you go. Can I get my line underneath the apple? Okay, thank you. Can you make the line go a little bit faster? Alright. Your iPhone has now been updated to iOS 26, which we already know that. Alright. So Apple just released iOS 26 Beta 7. And let's look at the build number. We have a 2-3, A as an apple, 5-3-2, 6 as a little apple. So this update focuses on performance and stability while still polishing features we saw in early betas, like the liquid glass UI. Animations feel faster, the camera app runs smoother, and lock screen bugs from beta 6 are now fixed. Plus, battery life is showing signs of improvement. As far as the updates or the rumors. All right, let's see how actual this is. So, should you install it now or wait for the public beta or wait till next month to the official release? So, let's break down everything you need to know inside of Beta 7. This update is available right now for developers, and public beta release is expected very soon. All right, now let's go and check out what's going on with the software. So we get faster animations and UIs. Animation across the system feels quicker and more responsive, just like in Beta 6, but a little bit smoother. It's subtle, but it makes the iPhone feel a little bit snappier, like I just showed you a few seconds ago. So everything feels a lot snappier. So what bug fixes that we get with iOS Beta 7? So we got several annoying bugs from Beta 6 that have been addressed in this update. So the lock screen clock is a little more stable. It's a lot more responsive. So it doesn't seem like the camera app is crashing as much as it did in Beta 6 when taking photos and videos. So it's pretty smooth for the camera. And the battery drain is supposed to be reduced, but we'll have to find out after the next couple of days. So these beta fixes make Beta 7 much more reliable for daily use, but we have to see, and after a couple of days of having it downloaded. Let's see if we still have this annoying bug. Let's add another control. So other people were saying that they felt this lag when going to the control center. So seems like it's working on my phone. Seems fluid. Let's see if we still have the same motion effect with the glow around it instead of the jiggle mode from Beta 6. And then let's see if the camera, all right. So let's see if they brought back. So as you see, the toggle for classic camera is still not here. So I guess we still have to use it this way. So that's what it is as of for right now in beta 7. And then let's see, customize. So everything pretty much looks the same. Let's open an app. Opens pretty quick. Yeah, everything seems to open pretty quick and very responsive. So that's everything new in iOS 26 developer beta 7. Are you installing beta 7 right now, or like I said earlier, are you waiting for the public beta release? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like. And if you're new to Mr. Noble TV, smash that subscribe button for every new iOS 26 update so you don't miss anything. See you in the next one. Peace.